In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find company benefits on Glassdoor. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your web browser and heading to glassdoor.com. Glassdoor is a hub for company information, much of it sourced from employees, which makes it especially helpful when you want to see what benefits look like beyond a job posting. Today we're going to focus on where to find those benefits and how to read them so they actually help you make decisions. Once the site loads, look toward the top navigation bar and click on Companies. This takes you into Glassdoor's directory of employer profiles. Think of each profile as a home base for everything you might want to know about that employer, from culture to pay, and of course, benefits. Next, use the search bar to type the name of the company you have in mind. As you type, you'll see suggestions appear. Choose the correct company from the list. If multiple companies have similar names, look for the logo or the official location to make sure you've got the right one. And if you need it, I've placed a direct link to Glassdoor at the very top of the description so you can click straight through. Click the company's name to open its profile page. Here, you'll see an overview along with tabs for things like reviews, salaries, interviews, and photos. The one we want is the Benefits tab, which is where the benefits information is collected and organized. Go ahead and click the Benefits tab. This view will show you what's available based on employee reports and sometimes company-provided details. Depending on how many people have contributed, you might see summaries, plan highlights, and even breakdowns of what's offered by location. Now review the perks listed, such as health insurance, paid time off, work-from-home options, bonuses, and retirement plans. Take a moment to open any sections you can expand. Look for notes on eligibility, waiting periods for new hires, coverage tiers, and whether certain benefits apply only to full-time roles or vary by region. Keep an eye on any dates mentioned, since benefits can change from year to year. Finally, scroll down to read employee feedback about how these benefits work in real life. These comments can reveal what's actually generous, what's just average, and what might be harder to access than it appears. Pay attention to the date on each comment, the location, and the role of the reviewer to understand context and spot patterns from multiple people rather than relying on a single opinion. That's all there is to it. Go to Glassdoor, open the company's profile, head to the Benefits tab, and use the employee feedback to get the full picture. Thanks for watching.